Akopyan here, your realtor. Welcome to 300 North El Molino Avenue, Unit 204 in the city of Pasadena. Walking distance to all the cafes and restaurants and easy access to the freeways. We have a formal living room with fireplace, easy access to the balcony overlooking the street. We have formal dining room and kitchen and really nice open floor plan. Property offers 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. As a matter of fact, they are both master suites and they're located on both sides of the living space. Take a look. This condo is in the heart of Pasadena. So if you or someone is looking to buy a condo in Pasadena in an excellent location, this is it. This complex offers a pool, jacuzzi for all your summer days and nights. It also offers a recreation room for your parties and as well as a gym.